Hey guys, my name is Freedom. This is Unreal Engine 5.8. How to make any of the lip sync mouth talking animation for any of your 3D avatar. How to generate any of the 3D avatar just by using your own face headshots. Create it by using the AI, and also create the voice talking animations by using the AI. Just by using the Character Creator 5 Headshot AI, and also just use the iClone 8 3D animation pipeline lip sync function. And finally, you can create any of the script, any of the lip sync animation, the mouth talking speech animation for any of your 3D avatar for your Unreal Engine 5.8 game project. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you all the step-by-step how to make this with voice. And let's go. Right, the first step, you need to prepare your headshot picture just in JPG or PNG format. And next, just open your CC5, the Character Creator 5, turn on the Headshot Plugin, and then choose Auto. This is the Headshot 2 plugin. Of course, today you can get the Headshot 3 plugin. The latest version is the Headshot 3. And for today, I just want to have some simple functions. So I just choose Headshot 2 plugin, image and auto. And then back to my image folder. Here, I just need to drag and drop the JPG picture from the Windows File Explorer to Headshot plugin. I drag and drop to here. Next, I just choose female. The body type I choose female. The skin type I choose no mask. Then I click generate. From now, the Headshot plugin of the Character Creator 5 is going to generate the whole 3D avatar in CC5. Just wait for a few seconds. Now, it's almost done. Alright, now you can see it already generated a 3D avatar for you. It is included the hairstyle. Of course, the hairstyle, it will not exactly match 100% from your picture. Just because of the 3D resolutions, it's not enough. Of course, you can design a hairstyle more details just like in any other 3D modeling software like Blender or Autodesk Maya. So now at least you can see the face already generated for you, and the hairstyle, just a very simple models. The hairstyles also already at there. Right now, this 3D avatar is ready for you to use it in your CC5, the Character Creator 5, and it is ready for you to export or add any of the cloth pants, any of the character design. And this 3D avatar, you can adjust the body shape, adjust the face, the facial morph, the head morph in CC5. Alright, so as demo, I'm going to just save this as a CC5 project file. I click File, save the project as, and I will save it on my desktop. Create a new folder on my desktop, right click new folder, then I name this as avatar01. The file name I will just save as avatar01. I click save. Now it already saved as a CC project, so that when next time you still can come back to this project and do some editing. This is the draft. Alright. Right, next I'm going to send it to iClone 8 3D animation pipeline software to make the voice talking, to just make the lip sync animation, voice talking animation, mouth talking animations. So now what I'm going to do is just open the iClone 8 software, and then in CC5 Character Creator 5, I click File, Export, Send to iClone, just choose Send to iClone. Then go to the iClone 8 3D animation software, just wait for a few seconds, it will be ready very soon. Now you can see it already automatically sent to iClone 8. in iClone 8, I'm going to just make the lip sync animation. I press Q and just double click the 3D avatar to just make sure it already gets selected. Then I click the animation tab at the right hand side. Here, choose the create script. Under the create script, you can choose record your own voice. You can choose to upload the audio file, or you can just choose TTS, the text to speech. That means it will automatically generate the lip sync mouth talking animation according to your voice. And as demo, I'm going to just choose the TTS, use the computer generated voice, because of this is just a demo, this is just a tutorial. It doesn't matter. Alright, now under the TTS, the voice mode, I'm going to choose Microsoft Zira. The pitch, I'm going to just drag it to maximum 100, and I'm going to type some words at here to convert it to become the TTS. I'm going to type TTS testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Testing complete. Right, now I click OK. It will automatically apply the lip sync to the 3D avatar. Just wait for a few seconds. So now I try to play in the timeline.
TDS testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Testing complete.
Now you can see this 3D avatar already have the lip sync mouth talking animation. At this moment, you can export it as FBX and send it to Unreal Engine, but you need to follow a few settings. I'm going to export it now. So what I need is just about this range. Just about 674 frames. I try to play again.
TDS testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Testing complete.
Alright, so actually I just need 480 frames. Now I'm going to export it. So now to export it as the FBX that's suitable and compatible for Unreal Engine 5.8, I just need to click File, Exports, Export FBX. Make sure you already selected your 3D model, press Q and just double click it, make sure you select it. Click File, Exports, Export FBX. Right, the target 2 preset, choose Unreal Engine 5 skeleton. And then the export range, just choose the range from 0 frame to 486 frame. This is exactly the animation that you created just now. And then embed the texture, select embed the texture so that all of the material texture embedded inside the FBX file. Turn on the setting. Select merge opacity to diffuse texture. This is very important. Then click export. Export it on my desktop. As demo, I will just create a fresh new folder. Name this as Avatar01 UE5. Double click into the folder. The file name, I'm going to just name this as Avatar01. I click save. Click OK. Now the iClone 8 3D animation pipeline is exporting the whole 3D animations in FBX format for Unreal Engine 5.8. Just wait for a while. It is exporting. Wait for a few seconds. Alright, now it already done exporting. The FBX file already at here. Next, we are going to open the Unreal Engine 5.8. As demo, I will just create a fresh new game project. Create a fresh new third-person game project. I click create. Now the Unreal Engine 5.8 editor is creating a fresh new third-person game project. Just wait for a few seconds. Right now, the fresh new game project is loaded. By default, the content browser is not here. You need to just go to the window, content browser, to just call out the content browser one. And then under the content browser 1, under the content folder, right click to create a new folder, name this as avatar01. Double click in. The avatar01 is your avatar's name. It depends on your avatar's name, and you can just name it any avatar name that you want. Now I'm going to just import the avatar01 into the folder. Drag and drop the avatar01, and then wait for a few seconds. Now it is translating the source file. You need to wait for a few seconds. Now the import option, the import content options is popping out. Now you need to scroll down. Make sure that you import the morph target. The import morph target, you need to select it. And then scroll down until you see the animations. The animation length, change it to animated time. Change it from source timeline to animated time. The animation length, choose animated time. Then next, click import. Now it is importing your FBX file, your 3D model. It is importing. You need to wait for a few seconds until it's done. So now you can see import done. You have a skeletal mesh. You have the skeletons. You have the animation sequence. So the first step, we need to check the avatar01 skeletal mesh. Now, first you can see the bra is missing. The bra material is missing, so we need to fix it. To just find out which one, you scroll down at here. Now this is the bra material, it shows transparent. It is easy to fix. I just need to close this first, and then now I need to see which one. The bra material, it used the material instance constant, so I'm going to create a new material for the bra. Just ignore this. I right click, create a new material. Name this material as a bra underscore material. So now I just need to double click it. Then the bra diffuse texture is here. I need to drag it into the bra new material. Then next, drag the RGB of the bra texture, connect it to the base color of the bra material. Then I click save, then close. Now I open the skeletal mesh of your avatar01. Now scroll down to find the bra material, change it from the bra material instant to become the bra material that you created just now. Now you can see the bra is already fixed, the bra material. Now everything seems already fixed. I click save and close. Now we are going to check the animation sequence. This is exactly the one. I double click it and check all the talking animation. You can see it shows exactly the mouth talking animation, the lip sync animation. It is really complete in the same animation sequence file. It included all of the body motions. It is really easy. Now I can just close it. You already successfully import the mouth talking animations, the lip sync animations into the Unreal Engine 5.8 from the beginning. So now next is just the voice. The voice, you can just export it from the iClone. Back to the iClone 8, click render video. Render, export audio. Click render, export audio. Use the WAV format. Export the range. Export range. Choose the range exactly same as just now. From 0 to 486, click export. Then export it on my desktop, I will just name this as avatar01 voice. Click save. Now, of course, you need to import the voice into the Unreal Engine 5. It is on my desktop. The WAV file just need to drag and drop into your avatar01 folder. Now the voice already imported as well. So now in Unreal Engine 5.8, you already have the animation sequence with the lip sync animations. At the same time, you also already have the voice. You can just use it to make it as the NPC in your game avatar. You can just make it as an NPC in your game project with the voice. Just use the Unreal Engine 5.8 blueprint to program it. Everything is ready. Now I already done the 3D animation parts, the tutorial of the iClone 8 3D animation pipeline to Unreal Engine 5.8 with the correct lip sync and also the voice audio import. Alright, that's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you love my videos, tutorials and sharings, if you feel all these tutorials and sharings are very helpful to 3D modeling, 3D animations and 3D game developing, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel and also turn on the mini bell and select all so that when next time I publish a new videos, tutorials or sharings, you receive a notification immediately. See you in my next video. Enjoy! Happy 3D modeling, 3D animations and 3D game developing. See you!